When you go into aluminium, just use a bit of plastic like this. Cut straight through your home and hose. See ya. Wise, if you need to sharpen a new blade, find yourself a bit of brick. And run it through a few times like that. It'll sharpen it nicely. This needs a bit of a tickle up too. The diamonds are getting a bit clogged, so hopefully it works with this as well. Let's give it a go. A bit of water always works wonders. Okay then, it's time I invested in a new hole saw, I think, because that is, oh, it still went through all right, but it, I don't know, it's a soft tile. I would have been a bit knackered if it was a full-on hard porcelain.